Exercise 2.4, problem 19, discussion. The ratio of the sums of the first m and first n terms of an arithmetic series is m square is to n square. Show that the ratio of the mth and the nth term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. It's very confusing, isn't it? But don't worry, we'll work it out. First arithmetic series. He says sum of m terms and sum of n terms, that is sm is to sn equal to m square minus n square. That's all they say. Then see the first sum of first m term, sum of first n terms, that is this is sm is to sn equal to m square is to n square. And then show the ratio of the mth term and nth term, that is tm and tn is in this ratio. Okay, let's list it. Sm is to Sn equal to m square is to n square, or Sm divided by Sn is m square minus n square. What are we asked to calculate? Tm is to Tn equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. Okay. We don't have the arithmetic series, we have only. So what you have to do is, let's write the formula Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, because that is used here, and you have to write a formula for Sn, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. As you can see, a and d is not known. M and the nth term is already given. They say it's m term, n term. So n, the value of n, we have either m or n depending on the case. So we need to we don't have a and d, or we have to get a in terms of d using the first condition. That is what is a key here. You have to get m in terms a in terms of d using this condition. Once you have that, then probably you'll be able to do this. Okay, so let's put out the steps and then we'll start working. So let a be the first term and d be the common difference. Find sm and sn. Okay, and equate it to m square by n square using this formula. So sm will be m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. What is Sn? Sn will be the same thing. So divide Sm by Sn and equate it to m square is to m square by n square. Simplify and get d in terms of a. This is a key step. Then find Tm by Tn. What is Tm? Tm equal to a plus m minus 1 into d, and Tn is the same. So those two you divided, you will get one expression, that is a plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus m minus n minus 1 into d, right? There you use this information, that whatever you get a in terms of d or d in terms of a, simplify it and see whether you will get this equation. So you will get this value. Okay, so let's keep this broadly in our mind. So what do we need to do? We'll have to first find Sm and Sn and equate it to m square is to n square, simplify it, see whether we can get d in terms of a, then find Tm and Tn and simplify it and use this d, whatever condition which we get here, in that equation, and see whether we get this 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Okay, so let's try that. Okay. As a solution. Okay, let me listen. So given Sm equal to Sn, that's equal to m square minus n square. So let a be the first term, d be the common difference. What is the sum of n terms? That is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For m terms, in the place of n, it will become m. So m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. We are told Sm minus divided by Sn equal to m square by n square. So which means this divided by this equal to m square by n square. Write all those things. So m by 2 and all these things. Okay. So this divided by this equal to m square by n square. M by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this 2 and 2 will cancel. Okay. So we'll get m into the same thing, 2a plus m minus 1 into d, etc., etc. This m and this m square will cancel, so this side will become m by n. So this will remain 2a plus m minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so that is it. Now you can cross multiply. So you cross multiply. So this will become 2. When you cross this into this, will be this into this. So when you cross multiply, it became 2an. That's what we got. Then m minus 1 into nd. So m minus 1 into nd. And this side you'll get 2am, and n minus 1 into m. So it will become n minus 1 into md. N minus 1 into md. Now we expand this. 2an, this will be m and d minus nd. Okay, and this side you'll get 2am, m and d minus md. What we have done, we have just mixed two steps together, which I think is not a good idea, but anyway, I'll explain. So 2an is there and 2am, I'm bringing it together and transferring all these terms to the right side. Okay, so keeping all the a one side and d to the other side. Okay, so it is 2an minus 2am, and this, when it goes to the other side, as we explained, this is m and d, okay, and minus md, right? So all that will go to the other side, and when you transfer it, you will see this m and d will cancel, and you will be left with nd minus md. Okay, now you can take 2a commonly out, so you'll get 2a into n minus m, and after cancellation, if you take d commonly out, you'll get n minus m. Then n minus m is common here, which can get cancelled. Okay, so after this, what you do, you are taking 2a commonly out, and this is cancelled. You take d commonly out, which gets you 2a into n minus m equal to d into n minus m. So this n minus m and n minus m cancels. You get 2a equal to d. So let's put this as 1, equation 1. This is the important relationship between a and d, which we have got. Now you have to use this in the nth term and the mth term of the problem. What is the nth term? Nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the mth term? That is a plus m minus 1 into d. What are we supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate Tm by Tn. That will be this divided by this, a plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so what will happen? This is basically, now you know d is 2a. Substitute that. So a plus m minus 1 into 2a. This will become a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Got it? So now expand. So this will be a plus 2ma minus 2a. Right? This will be a plus 2na minus 2a. So then this will become 2ma. A minus 2a is minus a. Similarly, 2na minus a will get in the denominator. And you can see you can take a commonly out. So this becomes 2m minus 1, and n here again a, if you take out, you will get 2n minus 1. This a and a will get cancelled. In other words, Tm by Tn is 2m minus 1 by 2n minus 1. Or Tm is to Tn equal to 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1. This is what we are asked to prove. We have proved. Okay, it's difficult, is it? So let's redo the whole thing. Okay, right. So as I told you, let a be the first term, d be the common difference. Calculate Sm and Sn using the standard formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and divide Sm by Sn. The whole right hand side you write it as a division and equate it to m square plus by n square. That's what is given here. Now simplify this. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get m by n into this whole lot is m square by n square. And this m will go here m times. This n will go n times. So this part will be equal to m by n. Right? Now you cross multiply. So you will get 2an and m minus 1 into nd. Similarly here you will get 2am and this will be n minus 1 into md, right? So this on simplification, you'll get this equation. I've missed out on step. Let me see whether I can add it right now itself. Okay, I've got it added here. So what happens is, let me repeat. So this into this will be this into this. So you will get, when you multiply this, you'll get 2an, and you'll get m minus 1 into nd, right? That will be, what will you get? That's what I've written here, 2an plus m minus 1 into nd, and this side you'll get 2am and n minus 1 into md. So you will get this bit. Okay, so you will be getting on cross multiply. Now you can simplify this. This becomes 2an, this is m and d, okay, minus nd. Here it will become 2am, m and d, okay, nm or mn, we'll make it mn because easy to cancel, m and d, and minus md. As you can see, md is there and m and d is there on both sides, so that will get cancelled, but we'll do it in the next step. So collect all the a terms together and all the d terms to another side. So 2an, and this 2am, bring it to one side, so it becomes 2an into minus 2am, and on the right side we have m and d minus md, and this m and d will come this side, and nd will go as plus nd. That's what we got here. As you can see, this will cancel with this, right? So you will be left with 2an minus 2am equal to minus md plus nd. So you can take 2a commonly out, so this will become n minus m. Similarly, if you take d commonly out, you'll get n minus m, and then that n minus m will get cancelled. Okay, that's what you are taking. 2a commonly out, you'll get this n minus m common, and then when you cancel it, you'll get 2a equal to d. Right? Thereafter, what do we do? Okay, thereafter we are calculating. So first part is over. That is, we used the equation Sm is to Sn equal to m square by n square. That part we have used it, and we got this result, that 2a equal to 2d. Now the second part is, you will have to find m by tn equal to this value. So that is the second part, but we have one relationship, the 2a equal to d. So calculate tm and tn using the standard formula a plus n minus 1 into d. So tn equal to this much, tm equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. So tm by tn will be this by this, that is a plus m minus 1 into d divided by a plus n minus 1 into d. Now replace this d with 2a. Right, so it will become a plus m minus 1 into 2a, and this will be a plus n minus 1 into 2a. Expand this, so it will be a plus 2ma minus 2a. This will be a plus 2an minus 2a. So then what will happen? This will be 2ma. Bring it down here. A minus 2a is minus a. Similarly, this will be 2an minus a. Right, and you can take a commonly out, so this will become a. When you take out, it will become 2m minus 1. Similarly, when you take a commonly out, this will become 2n minus 1. A and a will cancel, and you will get this value. So that is tm is to tn equal to 2m minus 1 divided by 2n minus 1. Therefore tm is to tn equal to this value. Okay, I've got it. I think it must be clear now. If not, please review this video. It will become clear. Anyway, broadly the steps are: you assume a and d to be the first term and common ratio, find Sm and Sn and divide it, equate it to m square by n square as given in the problem, and simplify it. You will get a relationship between a and d. Use that relationship in tm minus tn, sorry, tm divided by tn. Use that relationship of a and d, which is 2a equal to d. Simplify it. You will get that ratio. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.